Decoding the phrase, own up. Hey language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might hear quite often in conversations. Own up. What does it mean? When should you use it? Let's uncover the answers together. At first glance, the word, own, might make you think of possession or having something that belongs to you. However, when used in the phrase, own up, it doesn't refer to owning an object. Instead, it means admitting or acknowledging something, especially a mistake or wrongdoing. To get a better grasp of this phrase, let's explore a few examples. 1. It's time to own up to your mistakes and apologize. 2. She owned up to forgetting her homework at home. 3. If you broke the vase, you should own up to it. From these examples, you can see that own up is often followed by the word to, and then the thing or action someone is admitting to. Sometimes, it's helpful to know other words or phrases that convey a similar meaning. Here are some synonyms for own up: admit, confess, acknowledge, come clean, fess up. While all these terms share the idea of accepting or revealing the truth, the context in which they're used can slightly differ, so always be attentive to the nuances. So, the next time you hear someone say, own up to it, you'll know they're talking about admitting or acknowledging something. English is full of these fascinating phrases, and understanding them will make your communication more fluent and rich. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep owning up to your language learning journey, and see you in the next video.